What's the meaning of comprehend? Comprehend. Comprehend.
Comprehend. Comprehend. To comprehend means to understand something fully or to grasp the meaning of it. When a person comprehends information, they have processed it and are able to make sense of it. Comprehension involves not only understanding the surface-level meaning of a text or idea, but also being able to analyze and interpret it on a deeper level. It is an essential skill in learning and communication, as it allows individuals to absorb knowledge and make informed decisions. Overall, comprehension is the ability to process, understand, and apply information effectively.